In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tasks with Gemini for seamless task automation using AI, all without any hassle. We'll walk through the steps to get you up and running with this powerful tool, allowing you to streamline your productivity. Let's start by heading over to Google. Open up your web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, in the search bar, you'll want to type Google Gemini. This is what we'll use to connect our tasks and automate them efficiently. After typing Google Gemini, hit Enter, and you should see Google Gemini in your search results. Click on the website link for Google Gemini, which will usually be at the very top of your search results. Once you've clicked and you're on the Google Gemini website, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, where you can access a plethora of tools for task management and automation. Next, look to the bottom left of your screen to find the settings. This is crucial, as we need to configure our settings to establish a connection between Google Tasks and Gemini. Within your settings, navigate to Connected Apps. This is where you will manage integrations, ensuring that the tools you need are allowed to work in concert. In Connected Apps, you'll find a category labeled Productivity. Click there, as this is where Google Workspace and various related applications are housed. Once inside the Productivity section, make sure to enable Google Workspace. This crucial step allows Gemini to interact with your Google Tasks, setting the stage for seamless task automation. Now, let's test to ensure everything is set up correctly. Go to the new chat option within Gemini. This feature allows you to create prompts that command Google Tasks to function accordingly. For instance, you might want to set a reminder. So, type a prompt like, "Please add a reminder for Friday next week to call Jack about feedback at Google Tasks." By doing this, you're telling the system to add a task to your Google Tasks list. To execute your prompt, click the Submit button. This will send your command to Google Tasks, which should now automatically create a new task as instructed. Finally, navigate to your Google Tasks to verify that the prompt has been successfully executed and your task has been added. If everything was set up correctly, you should now see your new reminder in your Google Tasks. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you're now able to add tasks through Google Gemini effortlessly, making your task management much more efficient and less burdensome. Keep exploring this powerful integration to further enhance and streamline your daily productivity with ease.